Find or read reviews that people are talking about BXKEE milk frother and steamer. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. 4-in-1 versatility for every coffee moment. This BXKEE milk frother and steamer does it all with one simple button. Use it as a milk frother for thick hot foam, a cold foam maker for iced drinks, a smooth milk steamer for warming milk, or even a rich hot chocolate maker for cozy nights. From lattes and cappuccinos to iced coffee and cocoa, this versatile coffee frother brings cafe vibes right into your kitchen. Generous capacity for daily use. Designed for convenience, this BXKEE frother heats up to 11.8 ounces or 350 ml of milk or froths up to 5.4 ounces or 160 ml for creamy foam. Whether you're making a single latte or preparing drinks to share, this compact yet powerful electric frother makes it easy, complete with clear max lines to prevent spills. Quick and even heating, barista-style texture. Our electric milk frother cup heats milk to the ideal 140 to 158 degrees Fahrenheit in just 2 to 3 minutes. The precision temperature control ensures smooth, velvety foam without scorching, so every cappuccino, latte, or iced coffee tastes just right. A reliable coffee frother for your daily routine. Easy to clean, built for convenience. Made with food-grade 304 stainless steel and a non-stick interior, this BXKEE frother machine wipes clean in seconds. The detachable base adds flexibility, while built-in dry burn protection keeps your milk frother safe and worry-free after every use. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.